What's up, guys? We have just driven an hour to the north of Tenerife to go and explore the Enchanted Forest. And I don't think we're actually supposed to be here right now. I think you need like a pass, and like they're all bought out until, I think Matt was saying like July or something, but we don't know if the website's broken or what. There's no like security vehicles or anything out here. There is like a few cars here who are obviously in the forest as well. So we're gonna see if we can sneak in and hopefully avoid getting in trouble, maybe play dumb. We might end up getting a fine. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so stay tuned for the adventure. We've got some drone footage today of the drive up that was really pretty. And of course, I'm going to be videoing the forest. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing that, then keep watching. Okay guys, so a little technical difficulty. We were flying the drone out here. See this view? Yeah, pretty. Well, we were flying the drone and a big gust of wind crashed into the side of the mountain and it got stuck. So Matt literally he's like literally, this is so scary. He's literally down there. Like, it's not as bad as it looks. Like, we found a way to like go down and around, and like he had to climb across. It's just really, really steep, and the drone was stuck in a tree. So we literally just spent the last like half an hour trying to throw like big sticks and stuff at it to get it down, and we got it, and I think it still works. So I thought that it was ripped in half, but it's not, so that's good. We don't have to buy a new drone. But yeah, that was unexpected, but always expect the unexpected. And maybe don't be like the stupid Americans who climb down a cliff to like go get their drone, because it's not really that safe. But we got it, so yeah, I'll show you in a second the condition it's in. Hopefully it's okay. Look guys, it's my jungle man. There he is. He got the drone. Yay.
I was dangling off a cliff.
Did you get it? Are you okay?
That was really dangerous.
Yeah, I know. How's it looking?
I might still be able to fly.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you're okay. So we finally made it. We hiked through the Enchanted Forest to get to this beautiful viewpoint. Honestly, it is like the most insane view I've ever seen. Literally, look at that view. So worth it. Over there you can see the clouds on the mountain. It says it was about like a 3-hour hike. It was only about maybe like an hour or two through the forest, and then you have a hike back down the main road. And apparently there's only supposed to be 45 people here a day, and the fine is 600 euros for not having a permit. But we're the only people here, and so far, fingers crossed, we don't run across any like park security or anything like that. But yeah, honestly, worth it. Even for the fine, worth it. This view is insane. And we're about to check to see if the drone is like proper broken, because if it's not, then we're gonna fly it around here, because this is just like A1 footage. Okay guys, moment of silence. We're gonna see if the drone flies. Yay, we have liftoff. Guys, look at this cave we just found. Pretty spooky. Should we go inside of it? This is just on our way home right now.
Keep it there. I'm gonna put the flashlight on.
Okay.
Flashlight.
Spooky. There's another one over here too. What are these spooky cave holes for? They don't go anywhere. Why would someone take the time to carve them out? We're not sure what those are for. If you know what those caves are for, I'm guessing maybe it's for like camping or something, like you put a tent in there, but...
The native used to live there.
Really? Very interesting.
The Guanche.
No. So we're just walking back now on the little dirt road back to the car. I think it takes about like an hour or so, but it's a lot easier terrain. We're not going through the underbrush, so yeah, let's see if we come across any more cool things. We finally made it back to the car in one piece. We got a little turned around. We initially went like 15 minutes in the wrong direction, but it's all good now. We made it back, and we're finally on the road headed home. So anyway, that is it for this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.